Hi, my name is Satya.
Hi, my name is Durga.
And welcome to our home.
Contemporary.
Basically our house is modern contemporary. We came up with the idea because end of the day, if we go with any European style, we can't infit a lot of Asian elements that we have left over from our parents' flats, which is like the Peranakan sofa that we have. That's why we went for the modern contemporary look. So it has that modern feel and the touch of the Asian culture in between. Some of the things that inspired us was like the kampung look. That's where we came up with the idea for the cement flooring and having a lot of open spaces, because that's how you used to live back then.
Myself, I don't know why, but I love the toilets.
She practically lives in the toilet.
Yeah, so I love toilets. I don't know why. For me, toilets, very important.
For me, it would be my service, because it gives me my hobby, which is planting. Vitas Design was actually recommended by my sister. Why we decided on them is they'll come down to the house to do like a house tour and all that stuff, and then we discuss on the ideas. A lot of interior designers were quite skeptical when I had already all the ideas in place, whereas Vitas was very open to the ideas that I was coming up with, very timely updates. So there were times that we couldn't make it to the house to see the stages, like when the walls were down and all that. They were very informative. They always take photos and send us.
Always update us on time. If anything urgent, they adjust to our schedule. And very understanding.
I mean, the main point was they were bothered to understand us as a person, because this is actually our first house. So they need to know the character of us. I mean, they need to know our character to build it into our house, and I think they did a fantastic job in that day. Managed to understand us and make this our home. Thank you so much. To mention in name, our ID is Carol and Jason. So fantastic guys. And see you again.
See you guys.
Yeah, see you guys again.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.